Namaskaram Hatiragla. I hope Ningal Pura Hisharular. So today is Ganesh Chaturthi and I'm super excited to share this special vlog with you. I'll be showing you how Tulu people celebrate this festival with all the traditional foods, rituals and decorations. And ini mummy jeru, panna mummy poteru maheri to celebrate Gauri Ganpati. So we'll be also joining her soon. And you know song. बंधुये ग माहेरी रायला गौरी गणपति चा सनाला. So I mean she's gone to her maheri. ठीक है, तो हम लोग it's just me and my dad, we will be handling everything. He'll be helping me prep all the things and also we will prepare all the delicious traditional items from modak to paisam. ठीक है, I will not make much items today since I have a bit of tight schedule, so this vlog might be a bit rushed, but I promise it will be super fun. Anyways, chalo, let's go. I'm unsure if I can cook without my mom's help. Okay, let's start making modak. I'm using a modak shaper first. Let's see how it turns out. If not, we'll try shaping them by hand. Traditional way, which I don't know, but I will try my best. Okay, y'all can clearly see my struggle here doing this without mom's help. But ठीक है, कोई नहीं, I can do it. With Bappa's blessing, I know I got this. Let's make this work. Finally, I'm done with one modak. You can see, you can see the happiness on my face. I'm so happy it actually turned out perfect. Okay guys, let's fast forward and quickly make the rest of the modaks. I looked out the kitchen window and saw Ganpati Agman. People were bringing Bappa home. That just made me so excited. Always apply a little ghee on your hands while making modak. ठीक है? The ghee smells so good. So guys, dad has joined in for modak making क्योंकि इतने सारे modaks हैं and honestly I can't do it all alone. मैंने ये छोटू सा मोदक बनाया. Okay guys, please ignore my hair. I just washed it and in our kitchen it's a strict rule. ठीक है? No open hair while cooking. That's my mom's rule. So I couldn't tie it properly. I couldn't leave it either. So I just did a quick ponytail. Okay, so the modaks are ready. Now it's time to put them in the steamer. Chota sa puja mandir. Let's decorate it beautifully with flowers. Now let's decorate the puja thali for the aarti. Quick transition, and here is my outfit. All pink, pink, pink. One pink bindi as well. You can see how beautifully our mandir is decorated with flowers. और यहाँ आप देख सकते हो शुगर केन भी है, क्योंकि इन आवर उडुपी कल्चर शुगर केन है ना इज अ स्पेशल पार्ट ऑफ गणेश चतुर्थी। ठीक है, हम ऑफर करते हैं टू बप्पा एज अ सिंबल ऑफ स्वीटनेस, प्रोस्पेरिटी एंड अब्यूडेंस। यूजुअली इट इज अरेंज लाइक अ पिरामिड, जैसे कि आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हो। आफ्टर पूजा ये शुगर केन प्रसाद के तरह फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर किया जाता है। नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर पूजा एंड आरती। Okay guys, let me show you my rangoli. It's not huge, just small and beautiful. I was short on time, so I kept it small, cute, and festive. Okay, so the puja is done. Now let's get back to cooking. Modaks are ready, so we'll start with making sambar. Let's go. Okay, this is real. Finding all the ingredients without mom is a struggle, especially the masalas. I'm opening every bottle just to see which one is which. Okay, so first I added rye, jeera, methi, and two chilies, then a pinch of hing powder and some curry patta. I guess the curry patta had some water. The hot oil is literally splashing on me. Next, I'm adding onions and garlic. Fry them nicely until golden. Then tomato. After that, some vegetables we use for sambar go in. Fry them well with the onion and tomato. Now it's time for imli ka pulp. Honestly, this struggle is real, doing everything by myself. Then I'm adding salt, some chili powder, some sambar masala, थोड़ा सा haldi powder. Mix everything well. Meanwhile, I boil some dal in another pan. I'm grating it by hand. Don't use a mixer, just do it traditionally. Now I'll add the dal to the sambar mixture along with a little jaggery and fresh coriander. Mix everything nicely and add some water to get the right consistency. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves and our sambar is ready. Now let's take some dry fruits. I have got pista, kaju and badam. We'll dry roast them and chop them. My dad is helping me with that part. Next, I have soaked 1.5 cups of rice. Now it's time to boil the milk. Once the milk is boiling, we'll add the soaked rice. ठीक है? After that, we'll add some cardamom powder for flavor.
a little kesar milk for that beautiful color, and our chopped dry fruits. Honestly, I'm doing this super quickly. I've added some ghee as well. And then I'll add some jaggery powder to sweeten it. I'm not measuring this, just adding as per taste, because मुझे भी नहीं पता exactly कितना डालूं. And I'm fasting today. I'm literally running out of energy. No food, no coffee, no tea, nothing. Just waiting till Pran Pratishtha. This is a tradition I follow every year, and it's always worth it. Finally mix everything and a paisam is ready. I guess मैंने lunch 4:30 के बाद किया because today the Muhurat was really late. So after the Pran Pratishtha, I can finally eat now. We'll do a quick transition here since I'm in the middle of work and I don't have much time.
A huge thank you to my dad for his help. I couldn't have done it without him. ठीक है, सच्ची का मतलब डैडी ने मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया because I'm in so much rush right now. मुझे फटाफट करना है वैसे. Thank you for watching this video. But the festivals aren't over yet, as I'm heading to my family's house where my mom is to celebrate this Ganesh Chaturthi. Family Ganpati aata hai. So there will be a lot of fun, like meeting all my cousins and everyone else. So stay tuned for more. I'll see you all in my next vlog. Bye.